What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today's topic, wheels, specifically for my M2. I live in the Chicagoland area, and as most people do with a rear-wheel drive sports car, we put winter wheels on our car. But we're starting to see some warm weather. Now, I've lived out here long enough to know that it's full spring, and we'll still get a lot more cold weather before it's warm for good. But that got me thinking, oh shit, I haven't ordered my summer wheels yet. Earlier this week, I put in my order for my wheels, but I went back and forth on a handful of different options before finally deciding. So let's go through all of those. The first option was just to keep these wheels. I love the 437Ms. They're beautiful. I got them refinished in ferret gray, which brings out the lines on them a lot better. But I wanted something that was going to make my F87 stand out a bit more. I mean, every original M2 comes with these wheels. Now, yeah, I got them redone, but still the same wheels. I scoured the internet looking at all the wheels that are available for the F87, and I came to one conclusion. Most wheels just look okay at best on the F87. A lot of wheels that I think look amazing on cars like F80 M3s just end up looking okay on the M2. They just look a little off. Eventually I came across what is one of my favorite wheel styles, and I thought it would look awesome on the F87, and that is the HRE 305. The only problem with this wheel was I couldn't find any pictures of an F87 M2 with these wheels on it, which I guess is a good problem to have if you want a unique look for your car. But nonetheless, still a problem because I don't know what they would actually look like on the car. What if they looked horrible? So I did what any respectable car enthusiast would do, and I booted up my Xbox, loaded up Forza Horizon 5, got an M2 in the game, and looked for a wheel that was similar to it to put on it. After some searching on Forza Horizon 5, I was able to find a pretty comparable wheel to put on there, and you know what? I love the way they look. Here's an in-game shot of what they look like on the car. Let me know what you think of them in the comments. So I love the way the wheels look. The only problem is I don't have HRE money in my budget right now. I'm saving up to buy a house, so it's just not in the cards for me right now. So instead, I started to look at some other companies that make custom wheels to see if they could do something in a similar style for a lower price. So I spent the next few weeks talking with some different companies, getting quotes, seeing how much they could do it for. But that's when I came across something that completely changed my outlook on what wheels I should get for this car. And stay with me here, because I promise it's all connected. BMW has some of the best factory wheels out of all the automakers out there, and I know a lot of people agree with that because some of my videos that have gone the most viral on other platforms have been about BMW wheels. Whether it's through their partnerships with companies like Alpina or BBS, they always seem to put the right shape in the wheel wells of their cars. They have so many great options to choose from. The 437Ms, the Style 5s, the Style 666Ms, the Style 1000Ms, M Parallels, Sunflowers, soccer balls. But there's one wheel that has always had a really special place in my heart, and I actually have these for my E36 M3. If you follow me on other platforms, you probably already know what these are, but these are the throwing stars. And this is where it all starts to connect. Months back, when I was doing the research with all these companies to see if someone would work with me to do something like the 305s, I was scrolling on Instagram one day, and that's when I came across this post from this guy named Tim. Tim had a custom set of throwing stars made for his G87 M2, and it looked so good. The company that made these was Rolling Stock Australia, and they did a fantastic job on these. Something about the boxy retro styling of the G87 in these wheels just fits. It was when I saw this post that I had the epiphany of, hey, I could have my favorite wheels on my M2 as well. So I was excited about the possibility of getting throwing stars on my M2, but I ran into the same exact problem that I had on the last wheel. They've never been put on an F87 before. What if they don't look good? After all, throwing stars typically look better on older cars, which are much boxier. Sadly, for this set of wheels, I couldn't just boot up my Xbox and Forza Horizon 5 and throw them on an M2 to see how they look. So instead, I fired up my MacBook, dusted off my subpar Photoshop skills, headed over to Tim's Instagram, and tried to mock something up. And that mock-up ended up looking something like this. Now, in this mock-up, the wheels are a little bit too big, the lighting looks off between the wheels in the car, but I love the way they look, and I wanted to bring this to life on my M2. That's when I ran into my next problem. How do I bring this to life without spending 10 G's like I was going to spend on HRE 305s if I went with those? Custom wheels are big money, and I started to look around, reached out to some companies, got some quotes. A lot of them said they couldn't do it, it's not possible. Some other ones came back with a very hefty price tag, which I could not do. So after a while, I decided to put the idea to rest. Maybe I'm better off getting something that's way easier to order. Maybe a set of Apex wheels. The pre-order for the Apex ML10s came out around this time, and that's a good deal to get a set of wheels that looks like BBS E88s. So I put the search on pause for a while, but everything changed when I got this message. Did the stars just align for me? So we got to work, messaging back and forth to bring these wheels to life. I had a million questions. I've never had custom wheels made before. I would be an idiot not to do this. And that brings us back to present day. I sent the money for the wheels. I should be getting render soon. I've gotten a couple of them, mentioned a couple tweaks that I wanted to see, and they're making those updates. I wanted to get as many details as I could true to the original throwing stars. Now, I'm not going to be able to reproduce them one for one perfectly, but I wanted to get as much as I could for it, while also throwing in some cool modern Easter eggs on it. So unless someone beats me to the punch on this, I should be the first F-87 in the world to have throwing stars on it. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. If you want to stay tuned on these wheels, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss when the wheels come in. I appreciate all the support, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Helps out the channel a ton. Hey Cam, when are you going to lower this monster truck?